Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on time, duration. The word time has two main meanings. The first deals with duration. This deals with the amount of time it takes to do something, for example. The second meaning of time deals with the time of day, as shown on a clock or watch. In this video, we will deal with duration. The next video will look at the second meaning of time. Duration, or length of time, can be measured in many ways. The first instrument we can use is an hourglass. This instrument contains sand, and the sand takes time to fully get to the bottom of the hourglass. Sometimes it might take 1 minute or 3 minutes, depending on the sand in the hourglass. Stopwatches. Stopwatches are used in many sporting events. For example, they are used to find out how long it takes to swim a particular event or to run a particular distance. Different durations of time. With respect to duration, the 6 most common measurements are seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, and years. Seconds. Seconds represent a very small period of time, and there are 60 seconds in a minute. Seconds are used in many areas in real life. Athletes who run the 100 metres and 200 metre races, for example, have their times shown in seconds. Minutes. A minute is made up of 60 seconds. A good swimmer is able to swim the 100 metre freestyle in about 1 minute. A world-class swimmer will cover this distance in just under 50 seconds. Minutes and seconds. Minutes and seconds are sometimes used together. For example, a world-class 1500 metre athlete can run the distance in under 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Hours. An hour is made up of 60 minutes. If you were to walk about 6 kilometres, it would take approximately 1 hour to finish. 2 sets in a tennis match could take about an hour. Days. There are 24 hours in a day. The Earth takes 24 hours to make one full rotation around its axis. It is quite a long period of time when you consider that in one day you wake up, have breakfast, and make your way to work or school. You may be retired, so you can spend your daylight hours doing whatever you want. During the evenings, you have dinner, watch TV, and go to sleep. When you wake up, it all starts all over again. Weeks. There are 7 days in 1 week. A week normally consists of 5 working days and 2 days which make up the weekend. Here we relax and do enjoyable activities with our family and friends. Years. A year consists of 52 weeks, and it takes this long for the Earth to orbit the Sun. Birthdays are normally celebrated once every year. Now here's a very quick summary, looking at the units of time and how to do some conversions. Very basically, 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 day is 24 hours, 1 week is 7 days, 1 year is about 365 days, and 1 year is about 52 weeks. So this video has given you a very basic introduction to time with respect to duration, and we've looked at the 6 main examples of duration.